Hello, everyone. If we haven't met before, I'm Elaine Birchall. I'm a hoarding behavior and intervention specialist. For the past 21 years, I've worked directly with individuals who hoard and those who care about them, as well as training other professionals to do the same with gentleness and respect. Through Birchall Consulting, I clutter coach and counsel in person where geography permits, as well as remotely internationally. Many of you, however, may know me from Conquer the Clutter, the free podcast that I do on Zoom every Wednesday morning from 11 until noon. You're welcome to subscribe free of charge and attend by going on hoarding.ca. And feel free to listen to any of the free podcasts as well. They're in my library on hoarding.ca under webcast recordings. Again, all free of charge. The reason I do this is because there are so few services. And quite often, even when they do exist, you simply can't afford the help you need. But right now, I want to talk to you about something that's a little bit different. I have an invitation that I'd like to extend to you, and that is to invite you to join me on a really exciting adventure that I'm starting. I'm inviting you to join me on this adventure to gorilla trek in Uganda. Now, this was a project that was created between my podcast participants and myself about 6 months ago. So many people were telling me how difficult it was for them to overcome their challenges. Simply doing what they needed to do felt like an insurmountable challenge to them. Way too many of them, especially if they didn't have a lot of confidence in themselves about whatever it was they were trying to do. It felt really, really overwhelming for them. And as a therapist, I thought, what can I do to help these people see how to challenge their limiting beliefs and take even baby steps to do the things that they most want to achieve? In the past, I'd had a vague wish about mountain gorillas and sometime, maybe, possibly, maybe never, getting to see them in person. Well, that changed that day on the podcast when I realized that in making it happen, the gorilla trekking, everyone who needs support can join me in the daily struggles and see with raw honesty what it takes to do something that is really difficult. Just as difficult as the things that the people in my podcast community were having difficulty with. And at the same time, problem solve, conquering those challenges one at a time. Well, that day the plan was hatched. And my goodness, time has gone by quickly. December 26th, I leave for Uganda on a 24-hour, not looking forward to that, cross triple continent trip. Because there's nothing like showing people difficult, unglamorous, but doable ways to overcome each and every one of our challenges. So I'm hoping that you'll join me. I'm hoping that seeing somebody who promised to tell you the truth may and can possibly help motivate you, or maybe just give you some ideas that you can change and make your own to get that much closer to where you want to be, with the goals and the dreams that you have, even if they've got nothing to do with gorillas and nothing to do with clutter. Information, good information, has really beneficial transferable use. So, how would you like to come with me? Okay, you can drop by daily by going to hoarding.ca. Now, I'm offering myself as a guide, not an instructor. In this role, I am just a fellow traveler, vulnerable, wanting the goal, and trying to figure out, when the rubber hits the road, how do I make it happen? And how do I overcome what are going to be plentiful challenges? Please join me. Come to hoarding.ca every day, and on the home page, there will be a logo with a video symbol, and that will hold the video of the day. There'll be a new video every day giving you the happenings of the day before's activities. And you'll be able to see me bring you into the jungle to see and sit with mountain gorillas from the 26th of December until the 8th of January. For those of you who join in, welcome aboard. It is going to be fun. And this honestly portrayed real adventure is something I look forward to sincerely doing with you together. Hope to see you there. I hope you enjoy the videos, and I hope they're helpful in some small way for you.